Drivin Ivan here with a Citroen SM. This is the one. Why? Because it's got a Maserati engine in it. Yes, that's right. Powered by Maserati. And just look at the shape. Why is it so low on the ground? Because before the craze in California about bagging cars and lowering them, well, this was the thing that the French did. Why? Because it's comfortable. That's why. When you float on a bed of air down the road, it's extremely comfortable. And the French, being as outrageous as they are, well, they came up with this crazy design. Crazy shifter and all. And notice the steering wheel. You can really see everything. It's a comfortable car. And like I said, you're floating on a bed of air. Check out my review of my own Citroen CX Wagon. Elsewhere on YouTube. Happens to be pink. Just Google Drivin Ivan and Citroen CX and you'll see that car. But everything, every detail down to the headlight covers and everything is about coefficient of drag in this car. It cheats the wind. And these cars were around in the 70s actually, and that's pretty amazing. This car, well, the one before this, the DS, saved the French Prime Minister's life, Charles de Gaulle. He was attacked, and this car will actually run on 3 wheels. You can actually jack it up without a jack and change a tire. Pretty cool, works just fine. And it's one of those cars that's just amazing. Of course, Jay Leno famously has one. And this one is a really fine example in the color I would love to have. Blue with a brown interior. Absolutely stunning. And the whole car is just a work of art. And to drive it is like nothing else you've driven before. Trust me. The CX is really, really amazing. And look, 2 Lexus 500s here. Pretty cool. Check it out. 2 in a row. Pretty cool. Anyway, there you have it. The Citroen SM. A legendary car. As I said, check out my review of the Citroen CX Wagon. It's pink. Just Google Drivin Ivan and Citroen CX. And you'll see it. Great review, great cars, and truly, truly special automobiles. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other videos on YouTube. I'm Drivin Ivan.